This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data and Wi-Fi at the same time. We'll explore the fantastic benefits of combining these two powerful connections, helping you achieve faster speeds and more reliable internet access. You'll learn about the various scenarios where this dual connectivity truly shines, from enhancing your streaming experience to ensuring uninterrupted online gaming. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your device's network capabilities and enjoy a seamless online world. Imagine a world where your internet connection is always strong and stable. By leveraging both your mobile data and Wi-Fi simultaneously, you can achieve just that. This dual approach significantly boosts your overall internet speed, making downloads quicker and browsing smoother. It also acts as a reliable backup, preventing frustrating disconnections when your Wi-Fi signal weakens. Enjoy a consistently robust connection for all your online activities, from video calls to high-definition streaming. Enabling this clever feature is usually straightforward, though the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your device's operating system. Typically, you'll navigate to your phone's network settings. Look for options often labeled Wi-Fi Assist, Smart Network Switch, or Dual Channel Acceleration. Once you locate it, simply toggle the feature on. Your device will then intelligently manage both connections, seamlessly switching or combining them to provide the best possible internet experience. While using both data and Wi-Fi simultaneously offers great advantages, it's wise to keep a few things in mind. Always monitor your mobile data usage to avoid any unexpected charges, especially if you have a limited plan. Also, remember that not every application is designed to fully utilize both connections at once. Finally, be aware that running both radios can consume a bit more battery power. With these tips, you'll optimize your dual connection for maximum benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.